Let's talk about it. Get you on out here late this morning, heading toward midday. We've seen the clouds thicken up a little bit, those mid-level clouds, and some rain showing up there on radar. Early on, a lot of this wasn't reaching the ground. We'll have some light showers, though, it looks like, maybe heading down I-45 and getting on into East Texas here as we head into the early afternoon. Won't stick around long, I don't think. We should begin to clear out by mid to late afternoon. We'll start to see a little more sunshine breaking out. Temperatures are still going to be warm today. And again, the rain won't amount to much at all. We have seen a few lightning strikes, though, out toward Wichita Falls, but that's going to push on up into Oklahoma. So only light rain. Then we'll be brief across the area here. Light rain and sprinkles here as we go through the next few hours. Even maybe heading down I-35 here. You're going to run into a little light rain here for today. But the big story over the weekend, yes, will be the cold air that will be coming our way. Now, today we're going to be looking at plenty of 60s, even some low 70s out there. So the cold air hasn't moved in yet, but it will pretty quickly as we head toward midnight tonight. That Arctic air we've been talking about all week, it is scheduled to work its way in after midnight, right on time. Now, we'll have some leftover light rain through the early afternoon, but notice how that kicks off to the east, and here comes the cold air probably in the Metroplex sometime around midnight tonight. We'll get those winds shifting around out of the northwest, ushering in the much colder air for us. Now, we'll keep it precipitation free over the weekend. It's just going to be mostly sunny and quite cold with those winds coming around out of the north as we head into tonight and tomorrow. So that's going to keep those temperatures in check, and that cold air settles in for the weekend. We are talking about those temperatures that will fall from the upper 60s to around 70 today. We won't get back out of the 40s as we head into tomorrow, and then frigid conditions as we get into Sunday morning. We'll have some low 20s around, but those wind chills probably down in the lower teens. A few spots could even dip back down into the single digits with that feels like temperature on Sunday morning. And we'll have those brisk north winds 10 to 20, the high only around 36. So because of the temperatures, Sunday morning and Monday morning, we are calling for weather alert days across North Texas. So be prepared for that with those very low temperatures and wind chills. And you'll need to protect all the pets, the plants, the pipes, and the people as well. So dress in layers Sunday morning heading on into Monday across the area as it will be cold. Then we'll transition into Monday night and Tuesday when we're talking about some light precip across North Texas. Now, right now, most of us, we're talking about light snow and flurries, minimal impacts at all as far as travel is concerned, little to no accumulation. Now, some minor accumulation maybe in our far southeastern counties, getting down into central Texas. We'll see how this plays out, and we'll be updating, kind of tweaking the forecast through the weekend. So keep checking back as we make updates. But you see most of North Texas won't see any at all, especially up along the Red River, but trace to no accumulation from the Metroplex, and then areas a little farther south, maybe up to a half an inch of snow in some areas. And so again, we'll be updating this as we go through the week. So just keep that in mind as we get into next week. Now, for right now, though, we're looking at cloudy skies for now, 55 degrees. Those gusty south winds we're going to have to deal with those mid-50s hitting out to Grand Prairie along with Louisville as well. So we'll enjoy the mild temperatures out there today with those highs getting into the upper 60s to around 70. And then the big change is coming our way. Here's that 14-day forecast for you. The weather alert days on Sunday and Monday with the cold, potential winter precip as we get into Monday night and Tuesday. And those temperatures, even by the middle of next week, we're still pushing into the upper 30s to around 40, and then only a slight warm up going into next weekend, Chris, with those highs getting back into the low and mid 50s.
All right. Thank you very much, Greg. And still